Hello, everyone. Welcome. In today's newspaper of Monday, May the 11th, 2020, in the additional, there are here 6 Sudokus total. We have a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So total 6 Sudokus to solve today. We will start first with a Sudoku with a 1 star. So let's get started with this Sudoku. All right. Let me see. 6. Yes, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 6. Need to wait. How about the number 4? I see here in this big square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And then a 1 in this row, a 1 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 1 should be here. In the middle row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 9. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. How about the 2 in this column, 2 in the column next? So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 6 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. Oh, not the 5 and the 3. We have a 5 here. The 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 4 goes there. Almost make a mistake. So double check. Yes, double check. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So in the column, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1 in this row. 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 9 in this column. In the third row. 9 in the first row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column. 9 in the second column. So in the column next, the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and all the 9s are used, I can see, yes. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row, so in the row between, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there, only place for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used, I can see, yes, 3 numbers. Alright, can I do more is the question. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so in the second column the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and all the 4s are used, I can see, yes, 4 numbers. Alright, can I do that one more time is the question. Let me see. Well, all right. I try. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 8, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 2 and 5, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. I cannot fill this yet. Oh, the 2. How about these 2? 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And now I can fill the 2 because we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and all the 2s are used, I can see, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. The missing numbers 7 and the 3. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7, we have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. And then 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 7. 2 numbers left. Can I fill this yet? No, 2 numbers left, yes. No, I need to wait. How about these three numbers, the 8 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. I see here 7, no 7 there, here 7, no 7 there, 7 must be here. The 8 and the 5, 8 and the 5 are missing, 8 and the 5 are missing, 8 and the 5 is missing, 8 and the 5 is missing, still cannot fill this yet, 8 and the 5. The 3, yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places for the 3, here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 8 and a 5, 8 and a 5, we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5, this should be a 5, this should be an 8. We have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8, this should be an 8, this should be the 5. We have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8, this should be an 8, and this should be a 5. And the last two numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, for a Sudoku with 1 star. Thank you for watching, and yes, I will see you in a minute with the Sudoku with 2 stars. See you later, bye bye.